Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild animal known for its cunning nature and adaptability, typically not human-friendly. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as jackal, jackal, jackal. Jackals are known for their vocalizations, which include howls and yips, and their role as scavengers, often seen hunting in pairs or small groups. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about jackals, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.